This will be for the Khan assignment, convert linear equations to standard form. Okay, so these are just line equations. See, the word line is in the word linear. Alright, we did y equals mx plus b, and we did point slope. Standard form, it's just ax plus by equals c. Okay, so you want to collect x and y on one side of the equal sign, and the constant term on the right hand side. Okay, the constant term doesn't have any variables, it's just a number. Okay, you see their answers here, A, B, C, and D. On all of them, they have the x and y on the left hand side, and they have the constant term or the number on the right hand side. Alright, so it's not bad. So let's see. We start with y plus 5. And on the right hand side, you want to distribute 7 times x. And 7 times negative 8. That's negative 56. Okay, so we want the numbers on the right hand side, and we want the x and y on the left. So I'm going to do a minus 7x on both sides. And I want the numbers on the right hand side, so I'm going to do a minus 5 on both sides. Alright, so we have y minus 7x, 5 minus 5 cancels. Bring down your equal sign. 7x minus 7x cancels. Negative 56 minus 5 is negative 61. Alright, so really that's it, but the x is supposed to be first. Okay, so I'll just switch these two. Negative 7x, positive y equals negative 61. So negative 7x plus y equals negative 61, and that is answer C. Alright, so again, we're trying to get standard form. Okay, that means x and y is on the left and the constant term is on the right. So already just looking at these, I can tell it's not B, because in answer B, x is on the right hand side of the equal sign. Also answer C, x is on the right hand side of the equal sign. So it's not B or C. Let me check out D. In answer D, the 9 is on the left hand side of the equal sign, and that's not what we want. Okay, we want it to be in the form ax plus by equals c. Okay, but they have c on the left and here it's on the right, so it's not going to be answer D either. Okay, so it's not D, it's not C, it's not B. A is the only one in the correct form. So that's it. I didn't even have to do any algebra. Alright, standard form. I can tell already it's not C because X is on the right. It's not D, same thing. So it's going to be either A or B. Alright. So I'm going to rewrite y plus 3. Distribute here on the right. 7 times x. 7 times negative 2. And subtract, oh wait. Yeah, subtract 3 on both. Because we want the numbers on the right. Okay, I'll do it in 2 steps. Bring down your y. 3 minus 3 cancels. Bring down your equal sign. Bring down your 7x. negative 14 and negative 3 is going to be negative 17. Okay, and we just want the x's on the left. So let's do a negative 7x on both. Okay, and I'm going to write the x first. Instead of y minus 7x, I'm going to write negative 7x plus y. Alright, that's the same thing. Bring down the equals. 7x minus 7x, gone. Bring down your negative 17. So that's your answer right there. And it's answer B. Alright, one more. Y equals 6/5 x plus 9. Okay, now notice in these answers, there's no fractions. Alright? So, we want to get rid of the fractions first. So, see, we have a denominator of 5. I am going to multiply both sides of this equation by 5. Okay? This way, it cancels. So, I'm going to multiply by 5 on the left-hand side. That's just 5 times y. And the other 5, I'm going to multiply on the right-hand side. Alright? So we have 5y and 5 times 6/5. Well, that's easy. 5 times 6 over 5. Okay, it's the same as 5 over 1. The 5's cancel. That's what I wanted, and that's just 6. Alright? So 5 times 6/5 x, that's going to just be 6x. Because the 5 is on the numerator and denominator, so it cancels. And then distribute 5 times 9, it's plus 45. Alright, and we want the x on the left, so just do a minus 6x. Okay, I'm going to write the x first. Negative 6x, positive 5y. Alright, bring down the equal sign. 6x minus 6x is gone. And bring down your 45. That's it. Answer A.